Belanghel! Oh, nice. Game lang yun, 3. Oh, galing talaga. Number 4. 78-84. 6-point game. Ha? Ano? Ha? Sono lamang. Sono tayo, Sono. Siyempre kung tayo sa sponsor ng ticket, Sono tayo. Pero support din natin si SJ Belanghel. Let's go, SJ! Oh! Nice shot, SJ! Belanghel, did you guys see that? Lee Jong-yeon. Oh, steal by turnover. What happened? They're doing a video review of the foul. Si DJ Burns and SJ Belanghel at the collision. Ayan, foul on DJ Burns. So DJ Burns is sitting down. Williams playing. Score 80-84, 4-point lead by the home team. 2 minutes, 21 seconds left. Free throw for SJ. Let's go, SJ! First one is good, 81-84. Tatlo na lang ang lamang ng home team. Magaling yan si S. Pareho silang magaling. Yes, yes. Ano yan? Most improved player. Technical, oh. Both good, 82-84. Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng home team. 2 minutes, 21 seconds. Diego ball. Chance to tie or take the lead. Hinag yun, misses sa 3-point. Panalangin mo mag-OT para makanood pa tayo ng more. Nood pa tayo. Ayan, we are tied guys, 84-84. 1 minute 51 seconds. Napapatayo ng Ate Banji. Exciting, te? Are you excited? Are you exciting? No. 1 minute 44. We're tied at 84.